Today's topic is a very Flex Talk specific topic. We're going to talk about how to close the loop in your mentoring relationship. And what we mean by that is illustrated in this picture here. This is the mentoring loop right here. These are the three things that someone needs to do to mentor someone else. First, you invite someone into a mentoring relationship. And if you're talking through this right now, probably someone has done that for you. And then they've started investing in you one topic at a time. In fact, you're probably finishing up one of our 101 series online. Well, closing the loop is about getting you to this third phase here. It's about empowering you to go out and help someone else cover some topics. But the question is, why bother? Why bother helping someone else? Why bother investing in someone else? I've got three reasons for you. First of all, because people need it. People in your world probably could benefit from you helping them, just like you've benefited from someone else helping you. The second reason is so that you can make an impact in your world. If you want to leave a legacy, think about some of the people in your world who really need someone to invest in them. You can impact their world and generations through them. And the third reason is probably the most selfish reason. The reason that you should close the loop and help someone else is because you'll grow yourself. This is the best way to grow, is to help someone else. So are you ready? Are you ready to close the loop and start investing in somebody else? Now, in order to help you to think about this, I want you to answer these three questions. Number one, are you healthy? Right? Flex Talk conversations are all about conversations for good. So that means that you need to be a somewhat healthy person to help someone else. The second question, do you care about people? If you don't really care about people, then you won't care enough to invest in them. But if you care about people, then really that's one of the basic requirements for you to go on and start mentoring someone. So then the only other question for you is, will you make the time? Investing in someone else takes time. It takes effort. It takes commitment. Maybe you've already noticed that in the life of the person who's mentoring you. They're investing in you so freely. They've made the time. So if you're ready, then I want to encourage you just to look at this image once again. To close the loop, you just need to focus on training. If you feel like you're ready to do this, to learn about investing in someone else, check out our training resources on our website. Click on that train button in the menu and start on the Training 101 series so that you can close the loop. Now, if you're not quite ready yet for that, that's fine. Just keep covering topics with your group or mentor, but come back to this lesson and close the loop when you're ready to join the movement.